My fence recently fell down and I thought I'd salvage some of the wood to potentially make some wood creaks. So what I did was I screwed them together in a way that I could manipulate them and make some creak type sounds for a tree or old house or something. I've got geophones attached to the wood. I just screwed some screws right into it and the geophones are sitting on the screws using the magnet attachment, and underneath I'm running them into an M4, which is also recording with the onboards on.